Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is video 4 of the Learn French series, and today we will be looking at relationships. Let's start from relationship.
Relation.
Friend. Ami. Best friend.
Meilleur ami.
Boyfriend.
Petit ami.
Girlfriend.
Petit ami.
Partner.
Partenaire.
Couple. Couple. Love.
Amour.
Loa. Amo. Marriage.
Mariage.
Engagement.
Fiançailles.
Fiancé, male.
Fiancé.
Fiancée, female.
Fiancé.
Husband.
Mari.
Wife.
Femme. Ou épouse.
Spouse.
Époux. Ou épouse.
Significant other.
Partenaire.
Companion.
Compagnon.
Crush.
Big guy.
Date.
Rendez-vous amoureux.
Affair.
Liaison.
Divorce.
Divorce.
Separation.
Séparation.
Single.
Célibataire.
Engaged.
Fiancé.
Married.
Marié.
Divorced.
Divorcé.
Separated.
Séparé.
Widow, male.
Veuf.
Widow, female.
Veuve.
Ex-boyfriend.
Ex-petit ami.
Ex-girlfriend.
Ex-petit ami.
Soulmate.
Âme sœur.
Roommate.
Colocataire.
Neighbor.
Voisin, voisine.
Colleague.
Collègue.
Acquaintance.
Connaissance.
Mentor.
Mentor.
Protégé.
Protégé.
Boss.
Patron.
Employee.
Employé.
Team.
Équipe.
Classmate.
Camarade de classe.
Teacher.
Professeur. Ou enseignant.
Student.
Étudiant.
That concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again in the next video.